Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to enable USB ports on your Windows 11 computer. I will show you guys how to do that in two methods. One is edit group policy and second is registry editor. First go to a search menu and type edit group policy. Click on open it. Just full screen it. Under the computer configuration, you just need to expand the administrative templates and expand the system. And now you just need to search for removable storage access. Click on it. On right side, all removable storage classes, deny all access. You just need to double click on it. So if you want to disable USB port, then you need to enable this policy, guys. Otherwise, set this to not configured. Select apply and OK for save changes. Now close it off here and go ahead and restart your PC for the changes take effect. And then hopefully that was able to set your policy to whichever your preference was. Now if you do not have the group policy editor, we can go through the registry editor. For the second method, go to search menu and type registry editor. Click on open it. Select yes. Now in the registry you just need to expand the H key local machine and expand the system and expand the current control set and now expand the services. And now you just need to search for USB STOR service. USB STOR service. You just need to click on it. At this point you just need to know the file path location, guys. In my video I will zoom in over here. After checking it, on right side you just need to double click on the start. So if you want to disable USB port, you just need to set this value to 4 and the default value is 3, guys. Select OK for save changes. Now close it off here and go ahead and restart your PC for the changes take effect. I hope this video helped you, guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.